ground 303 in the red. 3 copies. I'm here with 311, 312, and 302. Strike 303 in the red, checking in with 311, 312, 302. Strike, that was 303, flight of 4 inbound. 303, affirm. 3 in flight, how do you have it now? 303, how are you showing the flight now? 3 copies, we'll recycle and switching. So 303, checking in with 311, 312, 302 at Angels 19. Good there, and checking in on time, Charlie. 203, low state 9.3.
Strike, 205 in the red, checking in with 201, Angels 13, Hachikino Maya in the green. Have you had any successful secure checks with any other players? Alright, copy on. Marshall 215. Marshall 215, flight of 4, wingman side, 207, 204, 202, checked in. Low state 97. Marshall, side 215. Plane names are 204, 207, and 202. 5 Marshall 360 for 21 Angels, 6 manual push button 15. 204 Marshall 360 for 22 Angels 7, 15 manual push. 207 Marshall 360 23 Angels 8, manual push button 15. 202 Marshall 360 24 Angels 9, manual push button 15. Marshall 202, if you'd like, we can just stack from 20 to 23,000. 215 Marshall 360 for 21 Angels 20. 204 Marshall 360 for 21 and push button 15. 207 Marshall 360 23 Angels 22 manual push button 15. 202 360 24 Angels 23 manual push button 15.
You like how I read out the right radio this time?
Yeah, dude. The over and under is 4 for how many miles are we going to go for good?
Strike about 130, 110 miles out.
Tower 62 leaving 6.8 thousand for 17,000.
Marshall now. We're already going up to 17.
Yeah, I think powder's already there. Are you going to go higher or are you going to go to 16?
I'll go 18.
Alright, copy. We'll go 16 then.
They might want to put you at 18 and 19 just based because they gave us 21 Angels, or 21 and 6 originally. But we can also coordinate and take 22 if you guys want to stay lower at 16, or at 17, or 16 and take 21. Copy. Y'all let us know what y'all want us at. I've been missing the conversation, trying to get out of Tokyo Patrol here.
I think Marshall will give us a altitude.
Have y'all contacted the ship yet?
We're about to.
Copy.